Today we shall discuss integrals using some standard forms. We have already taken some forms as standard. The problem is reduced to that standard form. According to that, we have to write the answer. So that is called as integration by standard form. Integration is done using a standard forms. Which are the standard forms? Which are standard forms? See, there are 5 standard forms. The number one, integration of 1 by x square plus a square into dx is equal to 1 by a into sine inverse of x by a plus c. Second standard form, integral of 1 by root of a square minus x square dx. So that can be taken as what? Sine inverse of x by a plus c. Integration of 1 by x into root of x square minus a square into dx. That is equal to 1 by a into secant inverse of x by a plus c. Right? These three we have to derive. First one, second one, third one. The other two we cannot, we can derive it, but it is out of scope. Just remember the formula: 1 by integration of 1 by x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 by 2a into log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Last one, 1 by integration of 1 by a square minus x square, just it is reversed, interchange. Dx is equal to 1 by 2a into log of a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. Under the condition is what? A is greater than x should be greater than 0. For the previous one, what is the condition? X is greater than a is greater than 0, right? First one, prove that integration of 1 by x square plus a square into dx is equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus c. This is the first standard form. Let us prove it. Take left hand side. What is left hand side? 1 by x square plus a square into dx. The integral problem is in, we should get in tan inverse x, correct? Tan inverse of x by a. Now we go for substitution method. Take x is equal to, put x is equal to a into tan theta. What is x? I have taken x as a into tan theta because I should get in tan inverse. No, I am taking it into tan theta. Therefore, we need dx. We need dx, differentiate x with respect to theta. Therefore, dx by d theta is equal to, a is constant, keep as it is. Differentiation of tan theta is what? It is secant square theta. Okay. Or dx is equal to what? A into secant square theta into d theta. Now, the entire integral changes to another variable. So the whole thing is in x. I will be converting this into theta. 1 divided by, what is x? X is a tan theta. That is a into tan theta whole square plus a square into, what is dx? Dx is nothing but a into secant square theta into d theta. A into secant square theta into d theta, right? Then this is equal to, I am separating it. A tan theta whole square means what? It is a square into tan square theta plus a square into a secant square theta into d theta. I am taking a square as common. If I take a square is common, what is remaining? Tan square theta plus 1 into a into secant square theta d theta, right? Now a cancel, a get cancel. What is remaining? It is 1 by a into integral of secant square theta divided by tan square theta plus 1 is what? Tan square theta plus 1 is also equal to secant square theta into d theta. So secant square theta get cancelled. What is remaining? It is 1 by a into integration of 1 into d theta. Or it become 1 by a into integration of 1 into d theta, correct? So 1 by a into what is integration of 1 with respect to theta? It is equal to theta plus c. Theta plus c, right? So we need to change this theta in terms of x. We taken x is equal to a theta. Therefore, you take that equation a into tan theta. Or x by a is equal to what? It is tan theta. Or theta is equal to what? According to inverse trigonometry, if x by a is equal to tan theta, then theta will become tan inverse of x by a. Theta is equal to what? Theta is equal to tan inverse of x by a. Just replace theta as tan inverse of x by a in the answer. Then integration of 1 by x square plus a square into dx is equal to what? 1 by a into theta. What is theta? Theta is equal to tan inverse of x by a plus c is the derivation of first standard form. Got it? To derive this, you take x in terms of tan. Suppose if you want to derive second one, that is in terms of sine inverse, there we should take x in terms of sine. For third one, the answer is in secant inverse. So we should take x in terms of secant theta, right? So this is the procedure we need to follow to prove the first formula. So I took x as a tan theta, differentiated with respect to theta. I got dx by d theta is equal to a into differentiation of tan theta is secant square theta. Then you take only in terms of dx. If I take this is in terms of theta, I should also convert this in terms of theta according to substitution method. Therefore, dx is equal to a secant square theta into d theta. I am replacing everything in the problem. 1 by x means what? X means a tan theta whole square plus a square into dx. Dx means what? A secant square theta d theta, right? It is according to laws of indices, a tan theta whole square means a square and tan square, right? Everything is same. Then a square plus a square. We have a square is common. I have taken a square is common. Tan square theta plus 1. This is taken as it is. In a square, so numerator is having a and 1a get cancelled. What is remaining? 1 by a. Then this secant square theta, and we have a formula for tan square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta, because secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Therefore secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Secant square theta cancel. Remaining is 1 by a into 1 into d theta. So integration of 1 with respect to theta is theta only. That is 1 by a into theta plus c. Then I need to substitute in terms of theta. Then what to do? You take this equation. So we have taken x is equal to a tan theta, right? From this equation, I need to convert for theta. X is equal to a tan theta. Therefore, only tan theta becomes what? X divided by a. X by a is tan theta, or theta is equal to tan inverse of x by a. This is according to inverse trigonometric formulae. Then, if I substitute theta is equal to tan inverse x by a, Then the right hand side of answer become 1 by a into theta. Theta is what? Tan inverse of x by a plus c. This is answer. Okay. Next, let us take second one. Proof of second one. Second one, prove that integration of 1 divided by root of a square minus x square into dx is equal to only sine inverse of x by a plus c. Right? Take left hand side. What is left hand side? Integration of 1 by root of a square minus x square into dx. There also we have to go for substitution method. The answer should be in sine. Therefore, put x is equal to a sine theta. X is equal to a sine theta. Differentiate this. Differentiation x with respect to theta. We get dx by d theta. That is equal to a into. Differentiation of sine theta is what? Cos theta. Or dx become what? A into cos theta into d theta. Dx is equal to a into cos theta into d theta. Right? Substitute in the integral 1 divided by root of a square minus, I want to replace x value. What is x value? X value is taken as a into sine theta. A sine theta whole square. X is a sine theta. This is x square. Therefore, it becomes what? X square into dx. In place of dx, I have to write this a into cos theta into d theta. Correct? Then 1 divided by take a square minus a square sine square theta. A sine theta whole square. AB whole to the power of n is equal to what? A to the power of n into b to the power of n. So according to it is a square into sine square theta. Right? A into cos theta d theta. A into cos theta d theta. Or it is equal to a cos theta into d theta all divided by, if I take a square common inside the root, a square is there, I am taking a square as common, it is 1 minus sine square theta. Correct? And if it is separated root, if it is separated the root, it becomes what? Root of a square into root of 1 minus sine square theta. Correct? That is equal to a into cos theta divided by square root cancel. Right? A into root of sine square is what? Root of sine square is cos square theta into d theta. A get cancelled. Square root get cancelled. What is remaining? Cos theta by cos theta. Cos theta by cos theta into d theta. That is equal to 1 into d theta. Integrate this. Integration of 1 is equal to what? Integration of 1 d theta is equal to theta plus c. Theta plus c. But I need answer in terms of x. Just substitute x value, theta value from this substitution. X is equal to what? A into sine theta. Therefore, x by a is equal to what? Sine theta. Or theta is equal to what? Sine inverse of x divided by a. Therefore, integration of 1 divided by root of a square minus x square into dx is equal to what? It is theta plus c, right? Theta plus c. That is, theta means what? Theta means what? theta is equal to sine inverse of x by a plus c. This is the proof of second formula, right? Then let us prove in the same way the third one. Third equation is what? Integral of 1 divided by x into root of x square minus a square into dx is equal to 1 by a into secant inverse of x by a plus c. Take the left hand side. What is left hand side? It is 1 divided by x into root of x square minus a square into dx. Substitute. Put x is equal to a into secant theta. Right? Differentiate this. Differentiate x with respect to theta. You will get dx divided by d theta. Dx by d theta is equal to constant into function. Right? Keep constant as it is. Differentiate the function secant theta into tan theta. Differentiation of secant theta is what? Secant theta into tan theta. Otherwise, dx is equal to what? A into secant theta into tan theta into d theta. Then the left hand side become 1 divided by x means a secant theta into root of x square means a secant square theta or a secant theta whole square minus a square into dx. So what is dx? Dx is a into secant theta into tan theta into d theta, right? So this secant theta get cancelled. This a get cancelled. What is remaining? Tan theta divided by root of a square into secant square theta minus a square into what? D theta, right? That is equal to tan theta divided by inside the root take a square is common. If I take a square is common, what is remaining? Secant square theta minus 1 into d theta. Separate the root for the denominator. If I separate the root for the denominator, it becomes root of a square into root of secant square theta minus 1 into d theta. Square root get cancelled. Correct? Then it becomes what? Tan theta divided by a into root of secant square minus theta is what? It is tan theta into d theta. So tan theta get cancelled. What is remaining? 1 by a into 1 into d theta. That is 1 by a into integration of 1 with respect to theta is what? It is theta plus c. Now we have to replace theta in terms of what? X. Then we should take this equation again. A is equal to secant theta, or x by a is equal to what? Secant theta, or theta is equal to what? Secant inverse of x divided by a. Secant inverse of x divided by a. Just replace it. Therefore, integration of 1 by x into root of x square minus a square into dx. Correct? Left hand side is what? Integration of 1 by x into root of x square minus a square. That is equal to what? 1 by a into theta. What is theta? It is secant inverse of x divided by a plus c. This is the proof of third equation, right? So we have to prove the equation first, second, and third. Fourth and fifth, the derivation You just remember the formula. The proof is not required. Okay. Then we have a standard forms. Using those standard forms, let us work out few problems. Based on that, we can work out few problems. Just recall the formulas. Integration of x square by a square into dx is equal to what? It is 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus c. Second one, integration of 1 by root of a square minus x square dx is equal to sine inverse of x by a plus c. Integration of 1 by x into root of x square minus a square into dx is equal to 1 by a into secant inverse of x by a plus c. Integration of 1 by x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 by 2a into log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Integration of 1 by a square minus x square dx is equal to 1 by 2a into log of x plus a by x minus a plus c. Right? Problems. Evaluate the following integrals. Number 1, integration of 1 divided by x square plus 16 into dx. So a is a constant, right? Only in place of a there will be a different values. Okay. See, 1 by x square plus 16. Can I change this into x square plus a square form? 16 can be taken as 4 square. Is it right? If it is a perfect square, in place of a square, you take it in terms of square. If it is not a perfect, say for example, if it is only 2, then how to write in terms of a square? Just write root of 2 whole square. Suppose if it is given 3, then root of 3 whole square. If it is given 4, then you can take 2 square. If it is given 36, you can take it as 6 square. If it is given only 5, then what to do? Take root of 5 whole square, right? Then it is of standard form. Which standard form? 1 by x square plus a square into dx. What is the answer for that? 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus c, right? Therefore, the answer is 1 by a. A is what? 4 into tan inverse of x divided by a. What is a? In place of a, we have 4. This is answer. Right? Next problem. Integration of 1 divided by x square plus 5 into dx. As I mentioned just now, if in place of a square, if it is a prime number or some not a perfect square, then we have to write in terms of what? It should be taken in terms of root of that number whole square. Root of that number whole square. Root 5 whole square. Correct? Now, x square plus a square into dx. Now it is in this standard form. What is answer? It is 1 by a. What is a? 1 by root 5 into tan inverse of x by a. What is a? Again root 5 plus c. This is answer. Right? Then you can take some other problems. Integration of 1 divided by 4x square plus 9 dx. 1 divided by 4x square plus 9 dx. So here I should have only x square, correct? What is extra? 4. Otherwise, you can take in terms of like this, 1 divided by 2x whole square, right? Plus 9 into dx. 9 can be taken as what? In terms of 3 square. Or You can take 4 outside at the denominator. You can take 4 outside at the denominator. You can do like that also. Otherwise, you make it into standard form. What is standard form? X square plus a square, right? Take 4 is common. X square plus 9 by 4 into dx. You take that 4 outside, 1 by 4 into integration of 1 divided by x square plus, can I write 9 by 4 as 3 by 2 whole square? 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4. Now it is of standard form, correct? Write the answer, 1 by 4 into, what is a? 1 by a is 3 by 2 into tan inverse of x divided by a. What is a? 3 by 2 plus c. Otherwise, this is cancelled with 2 to the 4. It is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 3 is 6 into tan inverse of, you can shift denominator of denominator to numerator. It is 2x divided by 3 plus c, right? The next problem, integration of 1 divided by 4 plus 5 x square into dx. 4 plus 5x square into dx. So it should be in x square plus a square. So whatever extra will be there along with x square, you take it outside. 1 divided by, if I take 5 is common, it become what? 4 divided by 5 plus x square into dx. Right? That is equal to 1 by 5 into integral of 1 divided by 4 is 2 square. I am taking 2. 5, it is not a perfect square. Then make it as root 5 whole square plus x square into dx. Now it is of what form? 1 by a square plus x square or 1 by x square plus a square. It is one and the same. Then you substitute according to the formula. What is formula? 1 by x square plus a square is equal to 1 by a. A is what? 2 divided by root 5 into tan inverse of x divided by a. A is 2 by root 5 plus c. That is equal to, you can cancel this and this. It is only 5. This is root 5. If it is cancelled, what is remaining? It is root 5, right? Or you send it to the numerator. Root 5 divided by 2 into 5 can be taken as root 5 whole square. Is it right? Root 5 whole square is 5 into tan inverse of root 5x divided by 2 plus c. That is 1 root 5, 1 root 5 get cancelled. It is equal to 1 by 2 root of 5 into tan inverse of root of 5 into x divided by 2 plus c. Next, integration of 1 by e to the power of 2x. Or you can take this cos x divided by 9 sin square x plus 16 into dx. The problem is in cos and sin combination. So where there is a cos, if there is a sin, then it is of substitution form. Okay. This is sin square and this is what? cos. I need to convert this into x square plus a square form. X square plus a square form because I am having plus and there is no root. Okay. So take t is equal to sin x. Differentiate this with respect to x. I will get differentiation of sin x is cos x. Or dt is equal to what? Cos x into dx. Then the given problem reduces to what? Cos x dx is equal to dt, correct, divided by 9 t square plus 16. Now the problem reduces to the same type, correct? It is in theta. It is in t. It is in t. Then it should be in what? 1 by t square plus a square. 1 by t square plus a square. What is extra? 9. You take it outside. 1 divided by. If I take 9 is common, t square plus 16 divided by 9 into dt. Then it is 1 by 9 into 1 divided by t square. Can I write 16 by 9 as 4 by 3 whole square? 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9. 4 divided by 3 whole square into dt. Now it is of standard form. So it will become 1 by 9 into 1 by a. What is a? A is 4 by 3 into tan inverse of what? X divided by a. X divided by a. A is 4 by 3 plus c. Right? Then the problem reduces to, you can cancel this 3 1s are 3 3s are, right? That is equal to 1 divided by 3 into 4, 12 into tan inverse of what? 3 goes to numerator. It is 3x divided by 4 plus c. This is answer. Right? Sometimes the problem will be given in terms of secant square and tan. 9 tan square x plus 4. Secant square x divided by 9 tan square x plus 4 into dx. Again, you have to go for substitution method. When there is a tan and secant square, you need to go for substitution method. Let us take put t is equal to tan x, differentiate this, dt is equal to differentiation of tan is secant square x into dx, right? Substitute here. Secant square x dx is equal to what? dt divided by 9 t square plus 4. Again, it should be in only t square plus a square form. What is extra? 9. You take it outside. That 9 is taken outside. 1 divided by t square plus 4 divided by 9. Correct? Or you just take 9 as common. Then this become what? 1 by 9 into integration of 1 divided by t square plus 4 by 9 can be taken as 2 by 3 whole square into what? dt into dt. Now the problem is in t and it is in standard form, equivalent to what? First standard form, 1 by x square plus a square into dx form. So answer is what? 1 by 9 into 1 by a. So 1 by 9 is constant. We have taken outside. You write as it is. Then 1 by a. 1 by a is 2 by 3 into tan inverse of x by a. X by a plus c. 3 1s are 3 3s are. What is remaining? 3 into 2, 6. 1 by 6 into tan inverse of 3x. This 3 goes to numerator. 3 into x, 3x divided by 2 plus c. Right? This is some of the problems based on the first standard form. Right? In the same way, we can do it for the next standard forms. So integration of 1 divided by root of 4 minus x square dx. 4 minus x square dx. Now it is of what form? 1 by root of 2 square minus x square. Correct? 1 by root of 2 square minus x square dx. This is equal to, in which form it is? So it is of 1 by root of a square minus x square into dx. What is the answer for this? Sine inverse of x divided by a plus c. Right? Then write according to that. It is sine inverse of a x by a. What is a? A is 2. X divided by 2 plus c. Right? Say this, integration of 1 divided by root of 3 minus x square. If it is perfect square, then it could be taken in terms of square. If it is not a perfect number, perfect square number, then you make this into root form. See, root 3 whole square minus x square into dx. In which form it is? It is 1 by root of a square minus x square form. Then what is the answer for that? Sine inverse of x by a. That is equal to sine inverse of x by a. A is what? Root 3 plus c. Next one, integration of x divided by 16 minus x to the power of 4. Root of 16 minus x to the power of 4 dx. See, it is little bit different problem. In the numerator, we have x, correct? In the denominator, it is in x to the power of 4. Can we write in other form? The denominator is written like this. X square can be taken as, sorry, x to the power of 4. It is x square whole square. Is it right? Why I am doing this? Suppose if I take x to the power of 4 in terms of x square, there is a x at the numerator, then I can go for substitution method, right? Hence, take substitution method, t is equal to x square. Differentiate this, dt is equal to what? 2x into dx. I need only x into dx. Therefore, it becomes dt divided by 2 is equal to x into dx. Then you just substitute in the problem 1 divided by x dx. X dx is what? It is dt divided by 2. Then numerator is having only 1. Root of 16 can be taken as 4 square minus x square is what? X square is t. X square is what? T. It is t square into dt divided by 2. Take 1 by 2 outside. This 1 by 2 outside. It is equal to 1 by root of 4 square minus t square into dt. Now this is in the second standard form. 1 by root of a square minus x square. What is the answer for that? It is sine inverse of t divided by a square. So a, that is 4, plus c. Just replace the value of t. What is t? Just replace it. What is t? T is equal to x square. X square divided by 4 plus c. The problem will be framed in different forms. We have to look at the problem first, then we have to decide the procedure, whether it is in the direct form or if it is in the substitution form. We have to check, then according to that we have to work out the problem, right? One by root of 4 minus 9x square dx. What to do? I have to take, I need only x square. 9 is extra. You take it outside in the root. It is 4 by 9 minus x square into dx. That is equal to, separate the root. root of 9 into root of 4. 4 can be taken as what? 2 divided by 3. 4 is 2 square, 9 is 3 square. Therefore, 4 by 9 is taken as 2 by 3 whole square minus what? X square into dx. What is root 9? It is 3. Therefore, I will take it as 1 by 3 into 1 divided by root of a square minus x square into dx. What is the answer for this? Sine inverse of x by a. A is 2 by 3 plus c. That is 1 divided by 3 into sine inverse of 3x divided by 2 plus c. Right? Then integration of sin x divided by root of 25 minus 4 cos square x dx. 4 cos square x dx. See, there is a combination of sin and cos square. Then we need to go for what? Substitution method. Just put t is equal to cos x. Differentiate this. dt is equal to differentiation of cos x is minus sin x into dx. Otherwise, it become what? Minus dt is equal to, I have taken minus this side, sin x into dx. Then substitute in the problem. Sin x dx is what? Minus dt divided by root of 25 minus 4t square. Is it right? I need only in terms of t square and a square. A square minus t square into that dt is there. Then we have to take 4 as common. If I take 4 as common, it becomes 25 by 4 minus t square. Or separate the root, minus of dt divided by root 4 into root of 25 by 4. 25 is 5 square, 4 is 2 square. Therefore, it becomes 5 by 2 whole square minus t square, right? Then minus root 4 is what? 1 by 2. And it is of a square minus t square. Answer is what? Sin inverse of t divided by a. A is 5 by 2 plus c. It is equal to minus 1 by 2 into sin inverse of 2 to t. What is t? T is equal to cos x. Cos x divided by 5 plus c. So these are few examples related to second standard problem. In the same way, we can do it for third, fourth, and fifth. Next one, integration of 1 divided by x into root of x square minus 25 dx. So 1 by x into root of x square minus 25. Can you take 25 as what? Pi square. X square minus pi square into dx. Then it becomes in the third form. 1 by x into root of x square minus a square is what? 1 by a. A is 5 into secant inverse of x by a. This is answer. Right? Integration of x divided by 4 x, or you can take this cot x divided by root of 4 sin square x minus 9 into dx. What is problem? Integration of cot x divided by root of 4 sine square x minus 9. So as I mentioned that where there is a sine, there will be a cos. But here what is given? It is cot x. Can you change that cot into sine and cos? So we have a formula. Cot A is equal to what? It is cos A divided by sine A, right? So according to that, I will take cot A as cot A as cos A by sine A. So that is cos x divided by sine x into root of 4 sine square x minus 9 into dx. So problem is in what? Sine and cos. Then I can go for substitution method. T is equal to what? Sine x. Differentiate this. Cos x into dx. Right? If I substitute here, it become what? Cos x into dx. Cos x into dx is dt. What is sin x? Sin x is t into root of 4 t square minus 9. Then the standard form is what? 1 by x into root of x square minus a square. So here is 4 is extra. You take that 4 outside the root. It become what? Root of, if I take 4 is common, it is t square minus 9 divided by 4. Or it is separate the root dt divided by t into root of 4 into root of t square minus 9 by 4 can be taken as 3 by 2 whole square, or it is equal to 1 by root 4 is 2 1 divided by t into root of t square minus 3 by 2 whole square into dt. Now it is of standard form 1 by x root of x square minus a square form. The answer is what? Keep 1 by 2 constant as it is 1 by a. What is a? A is equal to 3 by 2 into secant inverse of x. In place of x we have t divided by a. A is 3 by 2 plus c. This 2 cancel. So 1 by 3 into secant inverse of 2 goes to numerator 2t divided by 3 plus c. This is answer, right? Next, integration of 1 divided by 4 minus x square dx. I'm taking simple one. Okay. Can you take 4 as 2 square? 2 square minus x square dx. Now it is of what form? Integration of 1 by a square minus x square form. 1 by a square minus x square form. Answer is what? 1 by 2a into log of x plus a divided by x minus a, right? That is equal to 1 by 2a. A is also 2 into log of x a is 2 plus x divided by a minus x plus c. That is 1 by 2 into 2 4 into log of 2 plus x divided by 2 minus x plus c. Right? Second one, integration of 1 divided by 9 minus 25 x square dx. Again, it can be changed to what? We should be only in x square form. Then you take that 25 outside. If I take 25 as common, it becomes 9 by 25 minus x square into dx. That is equal to 1 by 25 into integration of 1 by 3 by 5 whole square minus x square into dx. Now it is in the standard form, correct? 1 by 1 by a square minus x square form. In place of a, what is there? It is 3 divided by 5. 3 divided by 5. Then what is answer for that? The answer is 1 by 25 into 1 by 2a. 1 divided by 2a. What is a? A is equal to 3 by 5. 3 by 5 into log of what? Log of a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. Is it right? 1 by 2a. This is constant. I have taken outside. 1 by 2a into log of a plus x by a minus x. Last one. Then it is this 5 cancel. 5 5s are 25. What is remaining? 1 divided by 3 2s are 6. 6 into 5, 30 into log of. I have to take LCM, correct? 5 is LCM. 3 plus 5x divided by 5 is LCM. 3 minus 5x. Sorry. 5 get cancelled. That is equal to 1 by 30 into log of 3 plus 5x by 3 minus 5x plus c. Right? One by x square minus sorry, 1 by x square minus 3. That is equal to what? 1 by x square. It is not a perfect square, correct? Therefore, make it into root 3 square. Now, it is in which form? It is 1 by x square minus a square form. 1 by x square minus a square. What is answer? It is 1 by 2a. 2a. A is root 3 into log of x minus a. X minus a divided by x plus a plus c. That is equal to 1 by 2 root of 3 into log of x minus root 3 divided by x plus root 3 plus c. Is it right? Next, integration of 1 divided by 9x square minus 25 into dx. Or you can take 36x square minus 25 into dx. This become what? I need x square minus a square form. Correct? So along with x square, we have 36. You take it as common. 36 into x square minus 25 by 36 into dx. Or it is 1 by 36 into integration of 1 by x square minus 25 by 6 is 5 by 6 whole square, because 25 can be taken as 5 square. 36 can be taken as 6 square. It is equal to 1 by 36. Now, according to the standard form, what is that? 1 by x square minus a square dx is what? 1 by 2a into log of x minus a, x plus a. 1 by 2a. A is 5 by 6 into log of x by a is 5 by 6 divided by x plus a 5 by 6 plus c. You can cancel this. 6 and the 6 6 are. That is 1 divided by 6 into 10. 5 2s are 10. 10 into 6 is 60 into log of I have to take 6 is LCM, right? 6x minus 5 divided by, if I take 6 is LCM, it becomes 6x plus 5 plus C. 6 cancel. It is 1 by 60 into log of 6x minus 5 divided by 6x plus 5 plus C. Right? So integration of sin x divided by 9 cos square. Otherwise, you can take cos x, sin square x minus 16 into dx. So again, there is a combination of what? Cos and sin. Go for substitution method. Put t is equal to sin x. If I differentiate this with respect to x, dt is equal to, differentiation of sin x is what? It is cos x into dx. Then the problem reduces to cos x dx is dt divided by 9 t square minus 16 into dx. So I want to convert this into which form? 1 by t square minus a square form. So, but here 9 is addition to t square. Take that 9 as common. dt divided by 9 into t square minus 16 divided by 9, or it is 1 by 9 into integral of 1 divided by t square minus 16 by 9. 16 is what? 4 square. 3 is what? Sorry, 9 is what? 3 square. Then I will take it as 4 by 3 whole square into dt, or it is 1 by 9 into, right, the standard form. What is standard form? The problem is in 1 by x square minus a square. 1 by x square minus a square is equal to 1 by 2a into log of x minus a by x plus a. So according to that, 1 divided by 2a, a is 4 divided by 3 into log of x minus a. X is what? T. Minus a is 4 divided by 2 divided by t plus 4 by 3 plus c. Right? This 3, this 9, we can cancel it. 3 ones are 3, 3s are. What is remaining? The remaining is 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 into 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24 into log of t minus 4 by 3. You take 3 is LCM. T is LCM. What is T? 3t minus 4 divided by, here also 3 is LCM. 3 into 3t plus 4, right? 3 get cancelled. It is 1 by 24 into log of. Just make substitution for t. What is t? T is equal to sin x. 3 sin x minus 4 divided by 3 sin x plus 4 plus c is answer. So like that, we can solve the given problem by converting that into the standard forms. These are the 5 standard forms. We have to make them into this standard form. Based on that, we have to go for integration. Right? So this is known as integration using standard form. Right? If you have any question, you can raise your question.